sets and reps, and they train by the numbers. That's beginning bodybuilding. An advanced bodybuilder expresses themselves from within. It's the innate creation that affects your body. Like I'm just saying, it's about the emotion, the way you feel, the music, the towel, the bar, the shoes. You create it, and your energy changes the body.
If it was possible, this would be too fucking big. But once again, it's not possible.
Stay driven. By the end of the day, this is what I do, this is what I strive to do, and I want to be the best bodybuilder in the world.
There's no secret, man. The secret is just consistency with hard work.